In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in QuickBooks. Whether you're tidying up your expenses or you made an entry mistake, knowing how to seamlessly remove bills can save you a lot of time and confusion. So let's dive right into the step-by-step process to ensure you can delete your bills accurately and efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks. If you haven't already opened it, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This will allow you to navigate more seamlessly in the future. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. There you'll see a menu. Click on the item labeled Expenses. This will redirect you to the expenses page where you'll have access to all the financial transactions you've entered into QuickBooks. On the expenses page, you'll notice a list of transactions. To find the specific bill you wish to delete, you may need to scroll through or use the search bar at the top of the expenses screen. Once you've located the bill that you need to remove, you'll see a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this drop-down. This will give you a list of actions you can perform on that particular bill. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Delete. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to delete the bill. It's important to ensure that you truly want to delete this bill, as doing so will remove it from your financial records within QuickBooks. So if there are any doubts, take the time to double check the bill details before going ahead. Once you've confirmed the correct bill, you'll need to confirm the deletion. A confirmation dialog box typically appears asking if you are sure you want to delete the entry. Confirm your decision, and the bill will be successfully deleted from your list of expenses. Keep in mind that this deletion is permanent. If you find out later that the bill should not have been deleted, you'll have to re-enter it manually. Therefore, ensuring accuracy and certainty at every step of this process is crucial. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a bill in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you can maintain an accurate and organized financial record, ensuring that your QuickBooks data reflects your current business status. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more helpful tips.